Hi, let's see what I bought from HSN on clearance. So let's take a look. First of all, this one I don't think was on clearance price, but I really wanted this character stamp and die kit. This is one of the subscription box they had months and months ago, and I really wanted this this kit, but always it was out of stock, and I know why, because the character is so cute. And let me show you. Oh, okay. I finally was able to grab it from HSN, and as you can see, you get all of these characters, the front body and the back side, and you have a matching die to cut it out. And I really like these stamps because you get the whole body with their Pokeball stamps, stamp and die. For the front you only get the head, and for the back you get the whole body, but you don't get the die to cut that out, so you need to cut it with the scissor. So but with these ones, you get the whole piece out. So I really like this. And of course you always get nice pearls and ribbons with their kit, cardstock and envelopes, nice pretty color cardstock. Nice pattern papers. Because of the stamp style, these are more childish style. These are not my style, but whatever, they're really cute. The main reason I bought this kit is the stamp and die set, so I don't have any complaint about the pattern paper or anything else. I really love that. And this bundle, these are from Sarah's Signature Enchanted Forest collection. This is an old collection from Sarah, but yeah, but these were in a clearance, so I grabbed this bundle. I'm not sure these are still available or not, and let me think. I'm not sure these were in bundle or I bought them separately. Anyway, you can check the HSN website to see if they still have them available or they have it in stock. I really like this stamp and die set. I think they were in bundle, otherwise I wouldn't buy this stamp and die set, so I'm pretty sure they were in bundle. And I really like this stamp and dies. It's really pretty and feminine. These die sets, they're in a bundle and they're on clearance now with a really good price. Yeah, and they lowered the price from when I bought them, but whatever. You get the with love word die with this. You can cut the whole card base with this die. and you get these edgeable dies to complete the look. This bundle as well. This one is on sale, on clearance actually as well. So you get the just for you word die with this one. I mentioned that because it was really hard for me to see it even on the pictures from HSN. So really appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out, you.